Customer states continual air loss in one of their tires. You think? Customer states may be the two most important words in the shop. The phrase is the source of a lot of internet memes and jokes, but in the shop, it's no joke. It's the starting point for every diagnostic process. The best service advisors all share one key trait. They let the customer talk. No jumping in, no trying to explain what might be wrong. They just ask questions and record everything the customer says. Let's talk about how listening to the customer can improve your diagnostic skills at the shop. That idea may sound simple, but many shops' main instinct is to diagnose fast. If you have a flat rate, that may make sense, but great advisors and techs don't rush to a fix. They focus entirely on what the customer says, especially the when and the where behind the problem. Oftentimes, advisors or techs may hear the issue and tell the customer what they think the issue is. By doing that, the customer may hear a price in their head and start asking themselves what it would cost at another shop. Great advisors avoid that entirely. They listen to what the customer says and repeat the concern back, word for word. When customers hear their own words reflected back, they know you're listening and feel they're being taken seriously. Technicians are just as important as service advisors at the front counter in these situations. They have to treat every word the customer says as a potential clue. Remember, the customer likely drives the vehicle every day. Your technicians don't. After you hear everything the customer has to say, the next step is verification. If the problem is consistent with their words, great. If it's intermittent, try to replicate the conditions customers drive in. Skipping the notes and jumping straight to a scan tool could lead to mistakes. Guessing does not build value, but confirming your customer's complaints does. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.